Hello everyone guys, in the last video we installed hydraulic brakes, and in today's video we're gonna be installing these beautiful handlebars on a Kukirin G2 Master. First we have to remove everything from the stock handlebars. Just look at the difference. Okay, now we have to remove the oil tubes. Wait, it's not coming out. Why this is so hard? Bro, I can't take it out. Wait, maybe I have an idea. Let's just unscrew these two things for now. And just take the brake lever out. Why is it so tight? Okay, at least I can't take it out. Now we can unscrew the display. Okay. And finally the handlebars are free. Now we can unscrew those 4 screws. And now we can take the handlebars out. And you might think that we can just put the handlebars like this and it's done. But if you look closely, it does not fit. So that's why you need this handlebar extensioner, specifically made to fit the wider handlebars on less wide handlebars. I don't know how to tell. I'm using the Wake BST cross country mountain bike stem. It's good for the Kukirin G2 Master 2 and it's made from aluminum alloy, which means that it's the same material that whole scooter is made of. Whoa, they even give you a alien key. And here are the extensioners themselves. Okay, let's mount this thing on. We will need those screws and we actually don't need this part at all. Put second one right here. Okay, now the second one. Now we can install the handlebars on. Oh. Now we just need to put the handlebars in the middle and screw the screws back. I think it's in the middle. And it's done. Wait, this actually looks so much better. Oh, it's so wide and good. Now we just need to put everything back. Does it? Oh, no. Wait, I have to unscrew it now. So I can like slide the handlebars like this and put the brake lever. Okay, and it's still too short. And put the brake lever. Okay, now we can screw the handlebars back. Okay, now we have to connect the oil tube. And just put this thing back. Put this thing back. Now we can screw the display. Because the handlebars are wider, we have to remove those parts so the display can fit. No rubber. Like this. Oh no. No. We destroyed the display mount. We actually Oh no. We actually destroyed the display mount. It's just destroyed. Oh! I put it back. Okay, we're not 100% cooked. Carefully put them here. Now we need to connect all the parts. Now this thing, which is too short. This thing does not connect, and if I connect it, the brake will be somewhere here. That's why we need to put this right here, but I can't pull that thing out. So we need to unscrew everything.
Make no music.
This is way harder than I thought. Yes. Finally! Okay, now we can put this thing first. And only now we can put the brake. Now we can put the grip and the display back. Okay, now connect everything back. Wait. No. Don't tell me. I put it wrong. No! Wait. I got an idea. Bro, please work. Now we can lower it. And get as much wire as possible. It's just millimeter, bro. Now just gonna pull as much up as we can. Now we need to put this back. Wait, yes. This is not funny at all. Oh, the grip wasn't fully in. Oh, with my camera is actually 3%. Alright guys, so I'm gonna plug everything back. I'm gonna put the cable protectors and clean the whole mess up. And gonna be right back when I already finished everything. Okay, so I did finish everything and just look how it turned out. I'm very happy how it turned out, and I actually took this part away because of the cable, and I put the cable protector here. I did put it on the lowest because it's much higher now. I'm very excited to test this out, and we're gonna go outside to see how this thing performs. Hello guys, today is a very sunny day, so it's the perfect time to go riding with this beast. Let's do a wheelie here. Okay, so the first difference I'm already seeing on those wide handlebars is that they're making your handlebars much higher than the stock handlebars, because of course of this adapter and the handlebars being a bit slightly higher themselves. So that's why I got from the middle to the smallest level of the handlebars, because right now the smallest level feels like a middle, and they're actually pretty comfortable, and they also gives you way more stability than the stock handlebars. Of course you won't get the steering damper stability, but you're still getting more stability. I actually feel more comfortable than with the stock handlebars being like this. Like, I couldn't imagine riding like this. Oh! Man, I absolutely love those handlebars. They're way better than the stock ones. Okay, let's go here. Oh, no, oh, very wet road. Look at this water. Oh. At this point it's not Kukirin, it's a boat. Oh, it's so wet. Yeah, I like this road, now it's better. For some people, these handlebars may be a bit overkill, because those are 780mm handlebars, which are super wide. And for comparison, the stock handlebars are only 580mm. So if you want more stability, a bit more comfort, and better looking, I'd say you should get the 720mm. But if you like the wide handlebars like me, get the 720mm. Wait, I think I lost the turn. Very legal. Oh no, I missed the corner again. Airtime. Oh, I actually did a jump. Oh, thank you very... Okay, not thank you very much. Thank you very much. Oh, full speed at 2 degrees with not full battery on a 2025 G2 Master single motor. 50! Almost 50, I mean. So my camera just died, but anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please like or maybe even subscribe. This will mean a lot to me. And guys, we almost hit 300 subscribers. Thank you so much guys for the all support. So thank you very much for watching and see you in my next video.